Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to make your Chrome browser easier on the eyes, especially during those late-night browsing sessions, and you'll add a sleek look to your overall browsing experience. Let's jump right in and make your Chrome cozy and dark. First things first, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. You can use any computer or laptop for this, and it doesn't matter if you're on Windows or Mac. The process is just about the same. Give Chrome a moment to load, and make sure you're looking at the main window where you usually do all your web surfing. If you have lots of tabs open, don't worry. This change will apply to all of them at once, so you don't need to close anything. Next, we're going to access Chrome's settings. Look over at the very top right corner of the Chrome window, and you'll see three little dots stacked vertically. These are often called the More menu, or sometimes the Hamburger menu. It's where you find most of Chrome's useful tools. Click on those three dots. If you're worried you might click the wrong thing, don't stress. Just move your mouse slowly, and as soon as you see the dots highlight, go ahead and click. Once that menu pops open, you'll see a list of options, but what we want is Settings. It should be closer to the bottom of the list. Clicking Settings is going to open a new tab or window with all sorts of ways to customize your browser. Take a breath if you feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of options. Chrome has a lot, but we're going to focus only on the Appearance section today. On the left side of the settings screen, look for a menu called Appearance. It's usually near the top, and it might have a little paintbrush icon next to it. The Appearance tab is all about how Chrome looks to you, colors, themes, fonts, and so on. Click on Appearance, and the main part of the window will shift to show you these specific options. Now, within Appearance, you'll see an option labeled Theme Color. Sometimes it's just called Theme. This is where the magic happens. By clicking Theme Color, you're telling Chrome you want to change the way your browser looks and feels. It opens a page that displays all the available theme settings. Right at the top of this theme window, you'll see two options, Light and Dark. Choosing Dark is what will enable dark mode for Google Chrome. Just click on Dark. If you're wondering what the difference is, the Light mode keeps Chrome looking bright and clean, like a sheet of new paper. But Dark mode shifts everything to black and deep gray tones, which can feel easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments, and can even help you focus a bit more. Plus, it just looks cool. Once you click Dark, Chrome will instantly switch over. No need to restart or refresh. You'll see your background, tabs, and even toolbars all take on a darker, moodier look. Don't worry if the change feels dramatic at first. You can always return to these settings and switch back to light mode if you want. And that's really all there is to it. You've just enabled dark mode in Google Chrome. Easy, right? If you run into any hiccups, just double-check that you're in the right section. The settings might move around as Chrome gets updated, but the core process stays about the same. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into any trouble. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-tos and browser tips. Hope your new dark mode makes browsing a little more comfortable.